Hey everyone, and welcome back. Where the wildlife is wild, and so are the facts. Gotta love those animal puns. Today, we're diving into the world of one of the sleepiest, fluffiest icons of Australia, the koala. So, grab a eucalyptus snack and settle in because these cuddly looking creatures are more fascinating and hilarious than you might think. Also, don't forget, Wild Koala Day is May 3rd. We'll talk about how you can help these adorable tree huggers a little later on. But right now, let's get to know them. First things first. What exactly is a koala? Koalas are not bears. I repeat, not bears. They're actually marsupials, meaning they carry their babies in a pouch, just like kangaroos. The term koala bear is basically Australia's version of calling a tomato a vegetable. It sounds right, but it's wrong. Koalas are champion nappers. They sleep up to 18 to 22 hours a day. Yes, you heard that right. If sleeping were an Olympic sport, koalas would not only win gold, they'd win it while snoring mid-tree. Why all the shut-eye? Well, their diet of eucalyptus leaves is so low in nutrition and energy that koalas basically live life in power save mode. Speaking of eucalyptus, koalas are surprisingly picky eaters. Out of over 600 types of eucalyptus trees, they'll only munch from about 30 species. Imagine walking into a buffet with 600 dishes and only agreeing to eat 5 of them. Total divas. Plus, eucalyptus is actually toxic to most animals. But koalas have a super specialized gut that detoxifies it. It's like having a permanent hazmat team working full-time in their stomach. When a koala baby, called a Joey, is born, it's the size of a jelly bean. It crawls into its mother's pouch and stays there for about 6 months, growing and developing. And when it's ready to start eating eucalyptus, the mom prepares it a very special meal called pap. Now brace yourself. Pap is actually a form of the mother's poop. Yep, it's semi-digested eucalyptus straight from mom, designed to help the Joey's gut handle those tough leaves. It's basically koala baby food, with a twist. Gross? A little. Despite their chill vibe, koalas can actually be pretty loud. Males especially have deep, rumbling bellows that sound like a chainsaw trying to clear its throat. Imagine walking through a quiet forest and suddenly hearing what you think is an ancient motorcycle revving up. Surprise! It's just Barry the koala looking for love. Now, let's talk about the serious side. Koalas are under major threat due to habitat loss, bushfires, and disease like chlamydia. Yes, seriously. Their populations have been declining, especially in parts of eastern Australia, which brings us back to Wild Koala Day. Every May 3rd, Wild Koala Day shines a spotlight on protecting koalas and their forests. The best way you can help? Support local conservation groups, plant trees, and spread awareness. Because no one wants to imagine a world without these leafy loafers snoozing in the treetops. Oh, and here's a final wild koala tidbit. Their fingerprints are so similar to humans that even under a microscope, they can be nearly impossible to tell apart. In other words, if a crime ever goes down in eucalyptus country, better double-check the alibi of the nearest koala. Thanks for watching.